My parents and mom and dad aren't very terrible people, but they just don't know. They think this place is fine and this place gets attacked. Now the interchangeable walls with the monitor, surfboard, grab savab, make real, shatio, sazil, super real, grab savab. I don't even got a real surfboard until I say Vache. Damn it, he didn't bring my surfboards. He's supposed to bring my surfboards in. Alright. To the light. He's supposed to bring in my real surfboards. That pisses me off. I paid for an animatronic machine. Now here we go. Spellcast. Here's the wave pool. Let's spellcast Vaishale Valeva stay. Dragon teleport. Run sun, catch a wave. Ah, this is a real surfboard, I guess. But it's just not real enough. Dragon put it back in the animatron. Those are shitty waves. They need to curse it 3 times for a tremendous Titusville wave. Wave pool arena. And what about my arena to sing for a girl? That's just my wave pool. It's sloppy. It needs to be cursed for another Spellcast Realm wave pool. Let's see. It needs to be cursed bad so we can get a big wave pool in. Let's see. What about the stadium? The stadium is for Mariah Carey. Baby, I love you. Everything you do to me. I just want you to be my permanent wrestler. Wrestle in the ring, baby, with our loving forever is what I wish I could do. And baby, I wish I could tell you everything about your heart is beautiful. And your love is beautiful. Take it over with a meow, kitty. Meow. Meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Pinch you Irish good luck. Meow, meow, meow. She didn't take it over with a mouse. She took it over with a sniffle. Baby, my cat just sniffled for you. I love you, Mariah Carey, baby. The cat sniffle is magical. She talks to me like you. But you are not magical, but I am, and I love you. Ooh, 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 ooh. Me and Mariah Carey been searching for this one Mariah Carey. That was the real Mariah Carey. She just got cloned. She got in trouble from Nick Cannon because, what was it? Her cousin stole something or got into a car wreck. Her cousin got into a car wreck. They got in big trouble. The car wreck was part of the Nick Cannon. Man, I feel bad for her. Oh yeah, the women need to stop getting in trouble because they're getting me in trouble and they're distracting me from my life park items. And don't forget the city in the sky, Fly by Side. City in the sky is being built right now. Don't forget that city in the sky. Oh yeah, spaceship. That's the only thing I need to get. I need to get the spaceship cities, construction cities. And that's about the only thing I need.